Hi again, everybody. It's me, Justin Kennington of SDVoE. I'm joined by Bert Lee, the Vice President of AV Link. Bert, thanks for joining us. Welcome.
Thank you so much. Nice to meet you.
So tell us a little bit about AV Link from a big perspective. Not all of our audience might know you. What markets do you serve? What geographies do you serve?
Okay, AV Link is a professional audio visual and manufacturer and also solution provider based in Taiwan. Actually, this is the 34th year's anniversary to AV Link, so we are a long history company. For AV Link, in the recent years, we are focused on the video processing algorithm development. So now we have some new product line, the SDVoE and also video processor, something like that. Yeah, for our market, we are more focused on the critical application like medical, military, and design firms, which is request for high resolution like 4K or 8K, videos.
You talked about being a specialist in video processing. I think often SDVoE falls into a trap. People know us as an AV over IP video transport solution, and they forget about all the processing power that's also built in. Tell us about how some of your products are using the processing capability in SDVoE to build products. What processing are you using?
Okay, for SDVoE, because now we have ASIC solution. So in ASIC, that's a transceiver, and in each device is offer HDMI in and out, and also in our device also offer analog audio in out, USB, and also RS-232 streaming in the whole network. So that enable that involve some IoT solution and also medical application that they can use the system to transmit uncompressed video, 4K videos over the whole network and with a zero latency, and also with uncompressed. That is a key point on whole system. Multi-point to multi-point, rather than point-to-point.
I know that you've also, besides innovating with your hardware, you've built your own software application to serve different markets. You just showed me some scheduling capabilities based on your experience with digital signage. So tell me, how do you use your SDVoE products in a digital signage environment?
Okay. Because in AV Link's previous product line, digital signage is also one of the market we focus on. So in the very beginning, when we started developing the SDVoE product line, we input the digital signage application in SDVoE system. So in our UI, we have two functions we call show and schedule. Show means that you can preset the events, something that you can set up the events, for how long, how many seconds or how many minutes you want to input a video source from which input, and also audio, video audio you can edit an event. Then also you can set up on the other function, say okay, what day, what time I want to play that events. That is a kind of the digital signage concept we input in the SDVoE system.
Okay, cool. You mentioned some of the markets you've gone after. You've gone after medical. You told me about some industrial applications. Talk a little about that. A chip manufacturing facility?
Yes. Because we are based in Taiwan, and also our SDVoE is 100% made in Taiwan. So now, as many people know that now Taiwan's IT industry is getting more popular. So we got a lot of inquiry from IC chip mill, which is asking for the IoT, the smart factory design. So they come to us say, hey, they have some video request, video streaming network request from production, something like the camera to see the production line. They also have some data that need to streaming to the control room. So they come to us say, hey, we need a 4K video streaming and also transmission some USB and also IR. What kind of solution you have? I said, yes, SDVoE is the best solution because it also offer a compressed 4K and also zero latency. Zero latency is a key point, and also fanless design, because for most of factory, especially for high-tech factory, fanless design is a key point they are looking for, because usually when people know that when device with fan, the noisy and also the shake Yeah,
Okay.
it's a headache to an installer. So they come to us and find a solution.
Yeah, that makes sense. And a fanless design, is probably naturally cooler in the
Yes.
first place. That's why you don't need the fan.
Yeah.
But it makes the product more sustainable too, right? Because
Yes.
you don't have to power the fan.
That's it. Yes.
The fan won't fail and
Yeah.
have to replace that component,
Yeah.
which of course is a whole other
Yeah.
more shipping, more materials.
Yeah.
So that really helps. You mentioned that you have moved to start using the ASIC for SDVoE.
That's it.
That's a big power reduction,
Yeah,
right?
that's it.
Can you compare about how much is the power consumption of your FPGA-based product compared to your ASIC product?
For example, I'm not sure. I'm not sure because I have to check the data.
Yeah. We see people anywhere from 50 to 80% lower.
Oh.
With the ASIC, it's a really big difference.
Yeah.
So again,
Yeah, that's amazing. Yeah.
It's good for your install and good for the environment at the same time.
Yeah.
The last thing I wanted to touch on is product availability. There you are in Taiwan, one of the world's centers for manufacturing electronics, and you're enabling chip manufacturers to hopefully get us out of this chip shortage
I hope so.
that we're in.
Yeah, I hope so.
How has AV-Link prepared for the world that we're in now, and how are your inventory levels, and how's your ability to deliver product when it's ordered?
Okay, because back to about 2 years ago, we knew that the IC shortage would become an issue since the COVID-19. Yeah, so back to 2 years ago, we sent more purchase order to input more inventory level in our factory. So now I can say that we usually get 1,000 pieces of ASIC transceiver inventory ready in our factory. So lead time should not be a big issue to us.
That's great.
Yeah.
Good job planning ahead.
Thank you so much.
Well, thank you, Bert, for joining us. Is there anything else we should talk about? Or anything I missed?
Yeah, I'm okay. Yeah, it's good. Yeah.
Thank you for joining us.
Thanks so
Bert.
much. Yeah, thanks so much.
Thank you for watching.
Thank you.